Hi everybody, Father Jason. We are now here in Vietnam, and this is the venue of our conference. It is called the Toa Giam Muk Wan Lok, Bishop's House of U Wan Lok Diocese. I don't know if I pronounce it right. And this is in Dong Nai in Vietnam. Malapit po ito sa Ho Chi Minh City. And here it is. We are in Vietnam attending a conference on evangelization. This is organized by the FABC, the Federation of Asian Bishops Conferences. And I was sent by the CBCP, by the Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines, to be part of this wonderful conference, together with some delegates from the Philippines. And this is a huge place. Ito pong Bishop's House na ito, wala ka pong makikita sa Pilipinas na ganito. It is so big. Kahit po mga Bishop's House natin sa Pilipinas, tingin ko po ay walang ganitong kalaking compound. Inside there is a seminary, and also there is some sort of a retreat house, a hotel of some sort. Napakalaki po nito, and I will tour you around. I'd like you to be with me in this jaywalk again. We are jaywalking. We are walking with Jesus. Tayo po ay naglalakbay kasama ni Jesus para pumunta sa iba't ibang mga simbahan. And we are now in a diocese in Vietnam. And look at that. Vietnam is slowly becoming Catholic majority. At sa totoo nga po, sila ang may pinakamaraming bukasyon ngayon sa Asia. Bukasyon in terms of priesthood, religious life. Napakarami pong mga pumapasok sa seminaryo, sa kumbento ng mga Vietnamese. And it's good. It's all good for the missionary impulse and enterprise of the church. And here is the venue. We are now moving towards the main venue of the conference. Welcome to Wan Lok Diocese. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right. Wan Lok, or yeah. So welcome po, another jaywalk with Jesus, with Father Jason.